So in this problem, we are told to find the base and height of a triangle whose base is 4 inches more than 6 times its height, and that has an area of 456 square inches. So first off, let's do what we should always do with a geometric type problem. And let's draw a picture. Now, there are several ways you can draw this picture. As long as you have a triangle that fits the criteria that's given, that's all that matters. So we're told that we have a triangle. We'll call this its height, which means this down here is its base. So 4 inches more than 6 times its height. Well, that would be 6 times its height plus 4. We're also given that the area of the triangle is 456 square inches. So that means we need to know the area of a triangle. Well, the area of a triangle is 1/2 times the base times the height equals the area. Well, now we'll put it all in terms of the height, and that's going to give us 1/2 times, remember the base is 6 times the height plus 4, so 6h plus 4. That's still times h. And we were given the area is 456 square inches, so 456. Now let's multiply through and move everything to the left-hand side of the equation. So 1/2 times 6h is 3h. 1/2 times 4 is 2. That's still being multiplied by h. We'll subtract 456 from both sides. And now we'll multiply through by h with that first binomial and get 3h squared plus 2h minus 456 equals 0. Now remember, at this point, the quadratic formula will always work to solve for any values of h. If you do recognize that it will factor, though, that makes it a lot simpler. And in this case, it will factor. By trial and error, I determined that this will factor to h minus 12 times 3h plus 38. To verify that, 3h times h is 3h squared, plus 38 minus 36 is plus 2h, and then negative 12 times 38 is 456. So then this is going to give us h equals 12, or h equals negative 38 thirds. Well, we can't have a negative length, so we know that that is an extraneous solution. It's not going to be an option. So that gives us the height of 12. So let's look at the base. Well, we know the base is what we substituted, 6h plus 4. 6 times the height plus 4 inches, so 6h plus 4. That equals 6 times, we determined our height to be 12 inches, plus 4. 6 times 12, so that equals 72, plus 4, which equals 76. Now what this means is that the base is 76 inches, and the height is 12 inches. And this is easily checked by substituting back into the formula for area. So we'll check by area equals 1/2 times 76 times 12. That equals 38 times 12, which does indeed equal 456 square inches. Verifying that our base is 76 inches and our height is 12 inches.